Hi, and welcome to CoView. This how-to video applies to CoView customers on our Essentials, Standard, Premium, and Enterprise plans. Today we'll be introducing you to our in-call apps and tools. These apps and tools allow you to interact with your client or patient in a variety of ways, creating the perfect solution for healthcare providers to deliver a unique telehealth experience. To access in-call apps and tools, you'll need to be in a call on the call interface. You can access the apps and tools by clicking the Apps and Tools Plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. This will open the Apps and Tools menu on the right-hand side of your screen. The Apps and Tools menu will show all of the in-call apps and tools that you have available in your account. New CoView accounts come with some standard apps and tools built in, which include share an image or PDF, start a screen share, add a whiteboard, share document camera, add a video, share a file, request a payment, and YouTube player. Both you and your client will be able to view and use most of these apps and tools, depending on whether they are made for the client use. For example, the Request of Payment tool is only made for use by healthcare providers, so it is not visible to your client or patient. Some apps and tools may also be device-specific. For example, the Start a Screen Share tool is not available to clients or patients on mobile smart devices. As the healthcare provider, you can choose to lock the apps and tools to you only. In order to do this, click the Make Apps and Tools View Only for Guests checkbox. To open the app or tool, click the relevant button. To close the app or tool, click the X at the top right-hand corner. If you would like to view all of your open apps or tools, select the Active Tools icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the call interface. This will show you all of the open apps and tools. To toggle between your apps and tools, select the app or tool that you would like to open. You can also close apps and tools from this menu by clicking the Recycle Bin button. At CoView, we have developed a number of useful apps and tools to enhance your telehealth experience. You can browse the range of apps and tools from our app marketplace. You can check each of our apps and tools in depth at our help center at help.coview.com. Please refer to our other videos to learn more about how you can best utilize your CoView account.